Hi everyone, my name is Chitra and today is a video where I'll give you 5 reasons why you should be fasting. I have been fasting for Shravan month since like last 7 to 8 years I can say, and initially I just started for sake of doing it and just for being a company in my group of friends. And then when I got to know the research and the logic behind this fast, I'm not able to stop fasting now. Seasonal changes are harsh on body and monsoon is considered to be the worst. There are people who fast for all 4 months of monsoon, but if not more, you can at least do it for 1 month. There are various types of fasting which has been done during this particular month, that is July, August, September. You can see Jain people doing their Paryushan. You can see Sindhi people doing their Chalio, which is again for 40 days. Paryushan is for 8 days, and for Hindus we have Shravan month, which is for again a month. And people also start their 16 Monday fast, which is again starting in rainy season only. 5 reasons why you should be fasting. Number 1, it helps you lose weight, and you can do it by consuming lesser calories, but it's important to take care that you're having sustainable diet. Sustainable diet is something which you can actually have year long and is not just a temporary thing. And also make sure that you have your food in right proportion. Number 2, it helps you to improve your metabolism. Now fasting actually works as detoxing, or you can say it works as a natural cleanser. It helps you in cleaning your kidney, your intestine naturally, and it increases your metabolism as much as 14%. Number 3, it is good for your brain because it helps you to remain more alert. It helps you to uplift your mood, and if you're fasting, it helps you to discard and generate new nerve cells which actually help you to fight depression, and you can avoid some symptoms of depression, and it also reduces your risk of getting Alzheimer. Number 4, it helps you to make your heart more healthy. Now there is a fact that people are dying because of heart disease, and the percentage of the death is no less than 31% around the world. So if you're fasting, you can actually improve your blood circulation, your blood pressure could be in control, and even the bad cholesterol can be reduced to as much as 25%. Number 5, it works as cellular repair and it helps you age gracefully. Now I'll explain you how. It helps you in regenerating new cells and discarding or removing the old and damaged cells, which means that with new generated cells, you're less likely to get few disease as you age, and it makes you less vulnerable to these disease and helps you age gracefully. These are my 5 reasons why I prefer fasting, and you tell me your reason. You find out your why. Share it with your friends if you find it good enough, and stay connected for more. Thank you.